Video of underneath the tr7. Rear floor, it's all undersealed. Floor of the car, it's all as it was back in the day. New shockers, stainless exhaust all the way through. It's the floor, it's all good. It's all good, no big holes in it or nothing. I could just come out, but you can see more of the floor. Gearbox has obviously been out and been something done to it in the past. I'm not sure whether the noise is the prop or the gearbox. I haven't really investigated that fully. Then we've got a little noise there somewhere, or more of a vibration. Front brakes have been done, front arms have been done at some point. Underneath it's all pretty clean really, not bad at all. The jacking points, all good. Across to the other jacking point, the floor, it's all good. Like I say, it was too good to chop up. Jacking points and chassis, it's all good. As much as we can see, it's going to want some work, some titivating, but in general it's not bad.